Can I lift it up with you?
Hi there, beauty queens. It's Emily with Hello Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review video for the BUXOM mascara. This is the Xtrovert mascara. It is extra volume, extra lift, extra strength, volume extra, lift extra, longear extra. Ooh. So we're going to try it today and see what it looks like. First, I really like the packaging. It's really nice. Ooh, and the brush is a swervy curvy brush. There we go. So let's see what it looks like on the eye. What do y'all think? I think it works pretty well. I might have found my new mascara, which is kind of hard to say because I've been using the same mascara for literally the past 10 years. The Curve Alert mascara by Rimmel. Rimmel? Go ahead and curl them a little bit too. I also decided to put a little black hue in the crease just to give the eye look a little bit more oomph, but that's pretty much the video, y'all. This is a really short video. I just wanted to do a quick product review on this mascara. I say it's pretty good, so go out and try it for yourself and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and also turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a dang, 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 dang. I posted. All right. Thank you guys for always watching. Have a great day and stay beautiful.